Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Viewers, today we will learn our lesson number 10 from Madani Qaida part 1. In this lesson we will learn all the previous rules, all the previous lessons we revise in this lesson. We look in details about harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical harakat and the letters of leen. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This lesson comprises all the previous lessons, that is harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical harakat and the letters of leen. All these rules, all these things we have done in our previous lessons. In this lesson we will learn all the things in detail. Apply all the rule, practice the recognition of the letters thoroughly and spell them out correctly, especially huruf mustaliya or mustaliya letter. I will define on each word which rule is happening here. I will tell you in detail. قاف ألف زبر قا لام زبر لا قال. In this word here alif madda rule is happening here because there is zabar before alif madda. This is the letter of madda because alif is sakin here and there is zabar before alif sakina, so there is alif madda rule is happening. And also qaf is a mustaliya letter and we will pronounce it with heavy voice or thicker voice, and we know we pronounce letter of madda with stretching up to one alif or two harakat. قاف ألف زبر قا لام زبر لا قال صاد زير خي را ألف زبر را في را طا زبر طا في را طا. Here viewers, there is zabar before alif sakin, so there is alif madda. Alif madda rule is happening here and we know we pronounce alif madda by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. And here sod and ta is belong to mustaliya family, and we pronounce both these letter with heavy voice or thicker voice. صاد زير سي را ألف زبر را سي را طا زبر طا سي را طا ها खड़ा زبر ها ذال ألف زبر ذا هذا. In this word there is vertical harakat. On ha there is vertical zabar, and we know we pronounce vertical harakat like madda letters up to by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. And here alif madda rule is happening here because there is zabar before alif sakin, and we pronounce alif madda by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. هذا. The next word is zal, khada zabar za, lam zirli, zali, kaf zabar ka, zalika. Here vertical harkat is happening because zal has khada zabar or vertical harkat, so we know we pronounce vertical harkat by stretching up to one alif or two harkat. zalika, kaf alif zabar ka, noon waw pesh nu, kanu. Here alif is sakin and we do not pronounce it. We do not recite here. And here is alif madda because there is zabar before alif sakin, and there is vaw madda because there is pesh before vaw sakin, and both letter contains madda. Here madda rule is happening here as well. madda noon is madda letter is happening, madda rule is happening here, and we know we pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite kanu. The next word is qaf alif zabar qa, lam waw pesh lu, qalu. Here there is zabar before alif sakin and there is pesh before vaw sakin. Here alif madda is happening here and here is vaw madda is happening here, and we know we pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat, and here alif is not recite. qalu. The next word is lam zabar la, ha ulda pesh hu, lahu. Here harkat zabar and here is vertical harkat ulta pesh, and we know the vertical harkat we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harkat. Lahu. Sin waw zabar saw, fa zabar fa, sawfa. Here zabar before vaw sakin, there is vaw lean, and we know we pronounce the lean letters without stretching or without sudden pause, like recite sawfa, qaf waw zabar qaw, lam do pesh lun, qawlun. Here there is zabar before vaw sakin and this is vaw lean, and this is tanween. Lam has two pesh or do pesh, and we know lean letters we pronounce without stretching and without sudden pause. Qawl, qawlun, fa ya zir fi, ha zir hi, fihi. Here there is zir before ya sakin. Here ya is sakin and there is zir before ya sakin. This is ya madda. We know we pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Fihi. Noon waw pesh nu, ha ya zir hi, nuhi, ha zir hi, nuhihi. Here there is pesh before vaw sakin and there is zir before ya sakin. Here Vaw madda is rule is happening here and ya madda rule is happening here. And we know we pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite Nuhihi. Next word is ba zer bi, ha khada zer hi, bihi. There zer harkat and there is khadi zer before and below ha and or vertical harkat, and we know we pronounce vertical harkat by stretching up to one alif or two harkat. Recite ba zer bi, ha zer hi, bihi. The next word is lam ya zabar lay, sin zabar sa, laysa. There is zabar before ya sakin, this is ya mad, and there is zabar harkat or harkat, and we know we pronounce yalin by stretching up by without stretching or without sudden pause. This is yalin. Laisa ba ya zabar bai, noon zabarna, baina. Here there is zabar before ya sakin, this is yalin, and this is harkat, zabar harkat, and we pronounce yalin without stretching or without sudden pause. Baina, ain zabar a, zal alif zabar za, aza, bado zabar ban, azaban. Here zabar harkat is happening and there is zabar before alif sakin, there is alif madda and there is do zabar tanween, and we pronounce alif madda letters with by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Azaban, mim zabar ma, ta alif zabar ta, mata, ain do zabar an, mata'an. Here zabar harkat and here is zabar before alif sakin, there is alif madda and there is do zabar tanween, and alif madda we pronounce madda letter by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Mata'an. Here next word is to zabar to, kho ghain khada zabar gha, ta. Here where zabar harkat and here is vertical harkat, vertical zabar, and we pronounce vertical harkat by stretching up to one alif or two harkat, and here ya is not recite because ya is only in written, not we do not recite here ya, and to and gha are belongs to Mustalia family, and we pronounce both them with thicker voice or heavy voice. Taho, taho, sheen zabar sha, kaf vav pesh ku, shaku, rodo zabaran, shakuran. Here zabar harkat and here there is page before vav sakin, there is vav madda, and here is tanween, do zabar tanween. Here alif is not recite, we just write alif, we do not read it. Here we recite madda letters up to one alif or two harkat. Shakuran. The next word is ghain zabar gha, fa waw pesh fu ghafu ra do zabar run ghafuran. Here ghain belongs to musta'liya letters and zabar harkat, and here is pesh before waw sakin. This is waw madda, and this is ra do zabar run tanween do zabar. We recite madda letters waw madda by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Ghafuran. Next is dal alif zabar da, waw ulda pesh wu, dawu, dal zabar da, Dawood. Here zabar before alif sakin, here is alif madda, and this is vertical harkat ulta pesh. This is vertical harkat and this is harkat zabar. We pronounce alif madda by stretching up to one alif as well. Wow vertical harkat up to by stretching up to one alif or two harkat. Dawood. Next word is khaw zabar khaw fa do zir fin khawfin. Here zabar before waw sakin, this is waw leen, and this is do zir tanween. We pronounce waw leen without stretching and without sudden pause. Khawfin. The next word is ya waw zabar yaw mim do zir min yawmin. Here is zabar before waw sakin, this is waw leen, and this is do zir tanween. We pronounce waw leen without stretching or without sudden pause. Yawmin. The next word is Qaf ya zir qi lam zabar la qila. Here zir before ya sakin, this is ya madda, and this is harkat zabar. We pronounce madda ya madda with stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Qila. The next word is ha ya zir hi lam zabar la hila. This is ya madda because there is zir before ya sakin, and this is zabar harkat, and this is ya madda, and we know madda letters we pronounce up to one alif with stretching or two harakat. Hila. Hila. This is the part 1 of our lesson number 10. Inshallah, in next part we will learn more words in more detail. Kindly visit my website madniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.